Bite me.
The geese gonna bite you.
Yeah. Oh, Daddy.
No, they won't bite unless you try to hand them the food. Or if
Hamstring.
you want to chase them. You don't want to chase them.
Here, Robin,
Hamstring.
no, you don't eat pop. No,
No, baby.
don't shake it up. Go give it to Jessica. Go give it to Jessica.
Thank you, sweetie.
Here, take my straw.
Come here, Treasure.
Look at them all. That's like impossible to count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
Oh, my
13,
leg.
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. 27. Look at them all. Goodness. They were way over there. And we had like 4 of them in this area. Just saw that we were feeding them and decided to flock on over. Yeah. You like that, Robin? Yeah?
Okay.
Shy, you like feeding the duckies? The geese? Cheese. Jeremy.